Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about the copter crash not being the point. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have any questions about estate planning or probate related to this video or in general, you can hop on the phone or come and talk in person with us for free by going to estatemeeting.com. All right, estatemeeting.com. Now, today we're here to talk about a piece of news that happened yesterday: the tragic death of Kobe Bryant and his daughter, and several other people on a helicopter crash. And I wanted to take a minute to talk about why that's really not the point. I think why the loss of life is never great. It's never a good thing. You never want to worry about that. But there are two important things that I think come from this that I immediately thought of when I heard this news. The first thing I can tell you is that I was, although I was sad for Kobe, I don't know him personally. We're not friends. I'm not cool enough to fall into that category. But I do know a little bit about his life, and I think what I can tell you is that although I was sad for his passing, I was also thankful is the wrong word, but I was whatever sort of goes along with that, and you'll see where I'm going, because I do know, just in the things that I know about him, that he took the opportunity to pretty much get everything that he could out of every day. He went for it. He played hard in life and on the court. He played hard with his family. He was involved. He did all these things. Now, was he perfect? No. Who is? Okay? But he did at least take advantage of everything that he wanted to go after in his life. And I would encourage you to do the same thing. This has nothing to do with estate planning. This is sort of like woo-woo-y, sort of up in the air, clouds kind of stuff. But I think it's important to say, if you are living a life right now where you're not happy, if you are doing things that you don't want to do, if you are suppressing something that you are passionate about for somebody else or for something else, stop, because you never know when your time is going to come. And that is point 2 of this today's message, is that you don't know when your time is going to come. And and this is also the estate planning portion of this video, by the way, because you don't know when you're going to come, when your time is going to come. And if it does, and you're not prepared, then you are sort of going to be unleashing a bigger burden on your family than needs to be done. You're going to require them to make choices that you should be making, that you should be setting up, that you should be taking care of beforehand. And while you may be saying to yourself, I'll never be in a helicopter crash, I can tell you, because I am sort of keenly aware of these things because of what I do, that people die every day for things that they were not aware of or planning for or had no idea of. And this can include random acts like cranes falling on people or car accidents. It can also be medical things: stroke, heart attack, things like that you aren't aware of medically, that can just come up on you and take you down. And if you don't have at least the basics in place, if you haven't thought about how you're going to protect your family or take care of your family or protect yourself for that matter, if something happens to you, then you are doing a disservice to yourself and you are doing a disservice to your family. And I don't know if Kobe had his stuff put together or not. I would imagine that he probably did. But in any event, I can guarantee you that the grieving process right now is probably at the forefront of that family's sort of mind and goal, and sort of what they want to be doing most. And hopefully they don't have to worry about some of these things that I see people having to worry about all the time because they were not prepared. Okay, so point 1, enjoy your life. Go after your life. Work hard. Like, be uncomfortable. Pursue your passions, because you never know. Enjoy your family on a daily basis. Stop worrying about the things that happened to you in the past. Stop looking ahead to the future. Get the most out of today. That's point 1. And point 2, get your stuff together, because it's your responsibility, and you deserve it. Okay, that's it. As a reminder, as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone needs to hear it, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you are someplace where you can subscribe and you don't want to miss future messages, please hit that subscribe button. In closing, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. If this or any of our other messages cause you to want to take some next steps with the estate planning, or you have some questions or comments, please go to estatemeeting.com. Set up a time to talk with us over the phone or in person for free. estatemeeting.com. That is it for today. What's up, Tony? Hopefully you are hugging your kids tight, talking, being nice to your family, doing the things that you need to do in your life. And I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See you.